Hi, my name is Amanda Currie Peterson. I am the CFO here at Rockjock. I got my Jeep Wrangler in 2020. I had the opportunity to put the E-CLIK shocks on it, and immediately I noticed a difference. It really makes daily driving enjoyable. The combination of the Rockjock anti-rocks and the Rockjock steering and the SDI E-CLIK shocks, for me, the biggest difference that it makes with standard shocks is the on-road drivability, but you still have the off-road capabilities as well. All right, guys, thanks for listening. Feel free to check us out on our social media, Instagram, and see how we can help improve your steering and suspension components along with your SDI E-CLIK shocks.